In this video you will see how to add watermark on picture in MS Word like this. It's very easy. First go to the Insert tab and go to Pictures. Select the picture from your computer and then click on Insert to insert the picture. Once you insert the picture, go to the Insert tab again and then click on Text box and select Draw Text box. Now draw the text box of the size you want and type what you want, for example watermark. After typing the watermark, press Ctrl A to select the watermark, return, and then go to Home tab. Select the font Arial black and increase the size of the text. You can stretch the text box and center align the text. Now right click on the text box and go to the Format Shape option. Here select the option No Fill and No Line. Now go to Text options and select the color of the text, for example red color, and here is the transparency. You can select the transparency of the text, for example 70%, 75% depending on your need. Once done, you can rotate the text box and place it anywhere inside the picture. Now click on the picture, right click and go to Wrap Text option. Select in front of text. Again right click on the picture, go to Send Back and select Send Backward. Click on the picture, press and hold the Shift button on your keyboard and then click on the text, that is watermark in this case, to select both text and picture. Press Ctrl X to cut the picture with the text. Go to the Paste option and select Paste as Picture. As you can see, now watermark has been added to the picture. Note that you cannot remove this watermark once it is added because we have converted this image as a single picture. If you want to move this image, you will need to go to the Wrap Text option and then select in front of text. So if you resize the picture, you can easily move inside the Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about pictures in MS Word. See you again in the next one.